Hello, everyone. Welcome to Literacy Lab. I'm Charles Matheson, your online reading tutor. Today, we're going to talk about descriptive writing. Descriptive writing is when you write about something you see. When we write about something we see, we talk about the color, the texture. Texture is how something feels. The size could be small, medium, or large. The shape, like a circle or a rectangle, and things that stand out. Parents, please have your children watch the video in its entirety first before you have them work on the problems. You can find a link to the materials being used in the video description. Today's word is clear. Let's look at some things that are clear. Reading glasses are clear. Water is clear. Drinking glasses are clear. Let's write a paragraph with the word clear using one of these three items. So let's write about water. A paragraph is a group of sentences. A sentences is a sentence is a group of words. It expresses a thought. Water is clear. I can see through it. People need water to live. I drink water. Now we're going to write our own sentences. I'm going to pick drinking glasses. Okay. Directions. Answer each question in a complete sentence. What is something clear? Drinking glasses are clear. So I'm going to write that as my answer. Drinking glasses are clear. Period. And the first letter of the sentence was a capital letter. I made the letters. Actually, let me erase this because this is kind of thick and I want the letters to be a little thinner. Okay. Next question. Describe what this looks like. Let me see. Well, a drinking glass has a round bottom and it's tall. So I'm going to say it is tall and has a round bottom. So it is tall and has a round bottom. Okay. What do you know about it? What do I know about drinking glasses? I know that people use drinking glasses to drink. So people use them to drink. People use a drinking glass to drink. And the last question, what is your experience with it? That means, have I used a drinking glass before? Have I seen a drinking glass? Do I know someone who's use the drinking glass. So, what is my experience with it? Well, I have used a drinking glass before. That'll be my sentence. I have used a drinking glass before. So now I have 4 sentences that I can put into a paragraph. Let me make sure my sentences sound okay. Sentence number 1, drinking glasses are clear. It is tall and has a round bottom. Well, I think what I need to do, because I see here I said it is tall and has a round bottom. People use a drinking glass to drink. I have used a drinking glass before. I'm going to change this first sentence to a drinking glass is clear, because I'm talking about one drinking glass, not more than one. So I want to be the same or be consistent in my writing. So consistent means to talk about one thing. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to rewrite my sentences in paragraph form. I have my paragraph. A paragraph is a group of sentences written right after each other. So, a drinking glass is clear, period. Next sentence. It is tall and has a round bottom, period. Next sentence. People use a drinking glass to drink, period. Next sentence. I have used a drinking glass before, period. Let's make these periods a little darker. Okay. So if you wrote the paragraph and the sentences, congratulations. You're on your way to becoming a writer. Now we're going to learn about finding the main idea. The main idea is what a text is mostly about. It covers everything that's written in the text. Here are some tips to find the main idea. Disregard the things that make no sense. Sometimes main idea question writers will try to trick readers. Reread the passage several times if you're not getting it. And read the text aloud like I'm about to do right now. The reason you should read the text aloud is because as a reader, when we read the text aloud and hear what we're saying, it's like we're reading the story to ourselves, and often we do better when we listen to what we're reading. Let's look at the first one. It says, many foods taste great at room temperature. There's nothing like a ripe banana. A piece of wheat bread with butter, amazing. And of course, potato chips. I eat ice cream in the summer. Well, I could see immediately I eat ice cream in the summer has nothing to do with room temperature. Room temperature means how a room feels, like how your room feels right now. It's not too hot, it's not too cold, it's probably just right. So wheat bread, that is room temperature. Potato chips, that's room temperature. A banana, that's room temperature. All these things are foods that taste good at room temperature. So I'm going to choose the first sentence. Many foods taste good at room temperature. If you want to pass your class, there are a couple of things that you should do. You should write notes during the lesson. You should do your homework. You should read your notes often. Eating candy will not give you energy to pass your class. You should watch cartoons. You should watch cartoons has nothing to do with passing your class. I do know that you should do your homework to pass your class. You should write notes during the lesson. You should read your notes often. All of these things are ways to pass your class. So I'm going to pick the first sentence. Next one. Kids are active people. They do several things when they are at the playground. They ride the swings. They go up and down on the seesaw. They play hopscotch. Kids do their work at school. They wear sneakers playing catch and frisbee. So kids do their work at school has nothing to do with kids being active. Active means when you move your body, like jumping up and down and running. So kids are active people. This one's a little tricky. They wear sneakers playing catch and frisbee. They go up and down on the seesaw. They ride the swing. So that is active. However, I know that the swings are at the playground. The seesaw is at the playground. Kids will wear sneakers when they play catch and frisbee. So I'm going to pick they do things when they are at the playground. They do several things when they are at the playground. That's my answer because the swings are at the playground and the seesaw is at the playground and hopscotch is at the playground. Next one. The fall is a beautiful time of year in nature. The leaves on the tree change color. Sweet smelling apples and pumpkins are harvested. The air becomes cool. Families draw pictures of food. All right, so the leaves on the tree change color, so that's fall. Sweet smelling apples and pumpkins are harvested. That's fall. The air becomes cool. That happens during the fall. Families draw pictures of food. I'm going to take that out. So all of these sentences are about things that happen in the fall. So I'm going to do the first sentence. The fall is a beautiful time of year in nature. Boots offer protection from harsh weather. They protect your foot from getting soaked during rainstorms. They keep your legs warm when it snows. Hot apple cider can also keep you warm on a cold winter day. Boots keep your socks dry in any type of hot weather. So I'm seeing here that boots keep your socks dry in any type of wet weather. They keep your legs warm when it snows. They protect your foot from getting soaked during rainstorms. However, hot apple cider can also keep you warm on a cold winter day. That does not have anything to do with boots. So the sentence that covers all the other sentences is boots offer protection from harsh weather. We're all done. Congratulations if you got all the questions correct. Parents, if you'd like to get more help for your child, please feel free to contact me at my website at wbcoaching.net or email me at learning@wbcoaching.net to find out how you can get more help for your child. And also visit the website for additional free resources that you can use to help your child learn more. Thanks everyone for watching. Bye for now.